A wise man once told me that the whole is always worth more than the sum of its parts. That wise man was my grandfather. I'm a little older now, maybe a little wiser, and I think I understand now what he really meant. Sure, the parts you choose are important to any project, but the greatest value doesn't come in a box at all. It's found in the patience that it takes to do the job right, and the pride of knowing you accomplished something entirely for yourself. At OMIX ADA, we've been keeping the Jeep legend alive for over 25 years. Whether you're doing a minor tune-up or a complete rebuild, we've got the parts you need from 1941 to present. We'll supply the parts. You bring the passion. OMIX ADA.